We have compiled a list of best smartphones under 25,000 in India in 2020. These mobile phones comes with various interesting features and strong processor. We have brought smartphones for you which are less than 25,000 in India. You get dual rear camera, big screen, powerful processor, and stunning camera qualities in these mobile phones. These smartphones work on artificial intelligence. Let's know about the names, features and price of these smartphones in India in 2020. Here is the list. OnePlus Nord. OnePlus has launched its cheapest smartphone in India in 2020 as OnePlus Nord. The starting price of this OnePlus smartphone is 24,999 rupees. This smartphone will be available for sale from August 4th on Amazon, OnePlus in and OnePlus Experience stores. This phone comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. This affordable smartphone from OnePlus runs on Android 10 based on Oxygenos 10. This smartphone has Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. Like the OnePlus 8 series, OnePlus Nord smartphone comes with 5G support. Samsung Galaxy A31. This smartphone comes in 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage variants. You can buy it in 3 color options: Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush Blue and Prism Crush White. It costs 21,999 rupees. However, it uses the waterdrop notch or dot notch feature in the front panel. Talking about the camera feature of the phone, the quad rear camera setup is given in its back to 8x digital zoom. The price of Samsung Galaxy is 20,999. Huawei Y9S. This Huawei smartphone has a triple rear camera setup. The phone has 48 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel depth camera. The handset has a 16 megapixel front pop-up camera for selfie. It has a 6.59-inch ultra full view display. This phone with a thin bezel has claimed to have a great viewing experience. Huawei has used a glass body in this phone and has a fingerprint sensor on the side. The company claims that the phone can be unlocked in 0.3 seconds. The Huawei Y9S has an octa-core Kirin 710F chipset. RAM 6 GB while 128 GB option is available for inbuilt storage. Storage can be increased to 512 GB via micro SD card. It is available in 19,990 rupees in India. Samsung Galaxy A50s. It comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. The display is accompanied by Infinity U notch, which you can also call dot notch. Due to the glass design, fingerprints come on the phone quite quickly. You can enjoy the experience of watching videos and gaming on the Galaxy A50s. This phone is available in Prism Crush Black, Prism White and Prism Crush Violet color variant. Overall, the Galaxy A50s is a smartphone with a premium design and display. This phone is available in 4 GB and 6 GB RAM variants, but for storage, you only get the option of 128 GB. Talking about the phone's software, it has Android 1.9 and Samsung's One UI. This phone has Samsung's own Exynos 9611 processor, which is an octa-core processor. It is priced at 22,999 rupees. Oppo F15. Oppo has launched the F15 smartphone with the beginning of 2020. This phone has 4 rear cameras and it falls within the 20,000 rupees segment. The company has supported Whoosh fast charging in it, which is OPPOS patent. This smartphone is slim, and you will not have any problem in holding. The rear panel is of glass metal, but it is a fingerprint magnet. On the rear panel you will find a module of 4 rear cameras which is in the upper left side. The display of Oppo F15 is 6.4 inches and its aspect ratio is 20:9. The bezels are short, but chin will notice. Apart from this, you have also been given a water drop style notch here. The display of this smartphone affects. Its display for videos and gaming will not disappoint you. It is bright and colorful. The MediaTek P70 processor has been given in Oppo F15. Here you get 128 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM. You can also increase its storage through micro SD card. Talking about the software given in Oppo F15, it has an Android-based ColorOS 6.1.2 operating system. Vivo V17. In Vivo V17, you get full view display, the bezels are quite thin, and the good thing is that there is no notch in it. This smartphone has a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus display. Super AMOLED panel has been used in it. The screen is bright and colorful. The viewing angle is great, and you can read the content on the display well in the sunlight in India. Vivo V17 is a camera-centric smartphone and has 4 rear cameras. It is being called 48 megapixels AI quad camera setup. The primary lens is 48 megapixels, the second 8 megapixels, the third 2 megapixels, the fourth is also 2 megapixels. It has a dedicated 2 megapixel macro lens. This smartphone has a 32 megapixel front camera for selfie. Vivo V17 is priced at 24,990 rupees. Poco X2. Poco X2 has a 6.67-inch display, which supports a 120Hz refresh rate. This is one of the biggest features of the phone, and there is no doubt that the 120Hz refresh rate improves the quality of the display and the experience of using it. But the best experience can be taken only in games which support 120Hz refresh rate. Apart from this, HDR10 is also included in a big feature of the display. For power, the phone has a large 4500 mAh capacity battery, FM radio and all the necessary sensors. The UI of Poco can be called both Poco Launcher and MIUI 11. In terms of looks and experience, it is very similar to the UI seen in Redmi K20 and K20 Pro. It is based on Android 10. The Poco X2 includes 4 rear cameras and 2 front cameras. The back has a 64 megapixel main camera sensor and is a Sony IMX686 sensor. Its second camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The third camera is a 2 megapixel macro lens, which supports 2 cm to 10 cm focal range and comes with autofocus. The fourth camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front side, it includes a 20 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Poco X2 is available in 17,499 rupees on Flipkart. Realme X3. Realme has recently launched its new smartphone Realme X3. With this phone, the company wants to strengthen its hold in the upper mid-range and premium segments. Coming at a starting price of 24,999 rupees, this phone has a 64 megapixel rear quad camera setup with 20x hybrid zoom. You get UFS 3 boost support in this phone, which comes with RAM up to 8GB and internal storage up to 128GB. The phone has a strong Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. This processor makes the phone speed quite smooth. Heavy RAM, processor and GPU make the Adreno 640 phone's overall performance great. The biggest feature of the Realme X3 is the camera setup. The phone has 4 rear cameras. The main camera is a 64 megapixel ultra high resolution wide angle lens, which comes with Samsung's GW1 sensor. Apart from this, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens have been given in the rear of the phone. Realme X3 is priced at 24,999 rupees in India. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max runs on MIUI 11 and has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. It has an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with 8GB RAM. Its internal memory is up to 128GB, which can be increased to 512GB with the help of the card. Quad camera setup has been given in its rear for photography. Its primary camera is 64 megapixel. Apart from this, 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, 5 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel depth camera are also available here. The 32 megapixel camera for the selfie is given in the front. Its battery is 5020 mAh and 33 watts fast charging is also supported here. The fingerprint sensor is side-mounted here. The price of Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is 18,499 for 6GB plus 128GB. Realme 6 Pro. The last phone in our list is Realme 6 Pro, which flaunts a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display. This display comes with a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes the experience of this smartphone even better. Snapdragon 720G chipset has been used in this phone, which is specially designed for the game lovers. It also uses RAM and UFS 2.1 storage. This phone works on Android 20 based Reality UI. Realme 6 Pro is the company's first smartphone with 6 cameras. The handset has 4 cameras at the back and 2 cameras at the front. It features a dual punch-hole selfie camera that comes with 16-megapixel primary and 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. On the rear, the smartphone has a quad-camera setup that comes with a 64-megapixel primary sensor, a telephoto lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel macro lens. It is available in 18,999 rupees in India.